Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Rainwater is very helpful for plants to grow. But sometimes overwatering, stagnant rainwater and heavy rains cause root rots. And in this rainy season, we know there are several types of insect attacks in this plant. Today, my mom is going to make insecticide, pesticides and fungicide. You can say all in one. Basically, you need neem leaves. These are available everywhere. Neem extract can protect your plants. It will help you get rid of moths, aphids, leaf and plant hoppers, leaf miners, grasshoppers, scale insects, white flies and nematodes. Simply wash the neem leaves and boil it for 5 to 7 minutes. After cooling, you have to stain it and collect it in a bottle. As you saw, it is very easy to make, but don't underestimate it. It's very effective. There is another way. All you have to do is collect bundles of these leaves, soak it for overnight and then use the water. If you have spray bottle, then it's okay, and if you don't have, do it like this. Take a bottle and in its cap punch a few holes. Okay, now let me dilute the neem water. You also have to do this and then spray it to your plants. Spray neem all over the leaves, but especially the undersides where insects like to hide. If you have any leftover, drench the soil around the roots as well. Do not spray in full sun as neem may cause leaf burn. Spray at least once in a week. It can remove any kind of fungus or any kinds of insects that come due to rainy season. The homemade bottle that we had made also acts like a spray bottle. Instead of these, you can also use neem seed. All you have to do is find the seeds first, then grind it and soak it in water. After soaking for 24 hours, take all the water and give it to your plants like this. Last but not the least, we are going to use dried leaves. With these grind leaves, you can easily mix it with the soil. This will act as a fungicide for your plant. Also, you can soak these leaves for 24 hours, then collect all the water and give it to your plants and leaves. I hope this video will help you a lot. Also, make sure to collect all the neem leaves and the neem seeds to make these pesticides, insecticide and fungicide. Basically all in one in your home. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.